Hi, let me show you how to check that. See, on the test event on the server, you have to copy that. Now, this is your server GTM. You have to change on one of the variable, this one here. First is the same. Okay, that's good. It changed 2-3 days, so we have to get the latest test event code and copy here, and then just click on preview. When preview is open, say just a minute. Just like that, this is the server preview mode, and now we open the web preview. Okay, so when we open the preview mode of web, uh, make this again. Okay, then it's open this new tab. We have to paste our website and just click on connect. On the new tab, our website will be open. So what happened in the backend, we can see that the tag will be fired in the server. We get the request here, this is, and in the tag manager, we get the request from browser as well as server. Just wait for a minute to get the request from the browser. See, this is the data, this is the tag is part page view for that one. Okay, here, yeah, this is the deduplicated from the browser and server. So for that, we have to preview. First of all, we have to copy this code and put on this variable, then preview. Then this is the server-side preview. Now next website preview and open the web page. That's the way we get the data from browser and server and it's deduplicated. I hope you understand. Thank you.